Today, I'm looking at some interesting software which helps you run competitions. Competitions are great, and this could be for anybody. It could be for creators, for small businesses, because by giving something away, you can really grow your presence, encouraging people to enter the competition, but then sign up for your email list, share with friends, join you on social media platforms, and subscribe to, for example, your YouTube channel. And the great thing about this video is we're actually going to run a competition, and hopefully I'll keep on running these all the way through the next 12 months. So today we're going to be giving away some software, some social media planning software called Radar. We're going to set up the competition within, it's called King Sumo. And we're going to talk you through how you can set up a similar competition and run it as well. So let's jump in and let's have a look at how King Sumo works. And it is really easy to set up a competition. I'll show you how to set up a competition. I've already set one up, but I'll show you how I did it and talk you through all the steps. And then at the end, we'll just go into some of the other settings. Just like in all of my videos, there will be a link in the description if you want to get hold of King Sumo for yourself. So if you were going to do it for the first time, you'll create new giveaway. But this is what I've done. So I'm just going to edit mine and show you what to do. So this is the giveaway I'm doing. So think of a title. Win a lifetime subscription to Radar social media, and then give a good description. Try, if you are actually giving a prize away, to be as specific as you can about what you're actually giving away. So I've got 3 lifetime subscriptions to give away, and this is what they'll be able to do with those lifetime subscriptions. Then you start the date, start date, end date. So I'm making this video today on the 16th of December. I'm going to start it tomorrow. So when this video goes live, which will be tomorrow, the competitions enter. I'd love you all to enter and try and win. And I'm going to have it running for a month. I'm not sure what the prime length of a competition is. And I will award the prize. There are 3 winners. You can decide how many winners there are. I'm giving away 3 copies of Radar. And there are 3 winners, and it will be awarded the day after the competition ends. Set your time zone, which is Dublin. I'm not in Dublin, I'm in London, but I think it's the same one. Who's running the competition? It's me, Phil's Deals. There's my website, Phil's Deals. The prize name is Radar Lifetime Subscription. There's the prize value. And then this was really easy. So I knocked all of these up. Just let me delete a couple of these. These are just, well, I'll show you in a minute, but these were really, I make all of my thumbnails on Canva. All right, so I've changed the size of the thumbnails, which is easy to do on Canva, to that size, 680 by, well, half of 680, 340. And I've just uploaded 3. You can see different thumbnails for the competition. You'll see them in action very soon. And then you can decide if contestants must provide email, name, and or phone number. For this competition, I'm just going to get emails, all right? That's what I'd like. Here we go. You decide where you want to share this. So click select the platforms you want your contestants to use to share your giveaway. So if they're on Twitter, Facebook, what is that? Facebook Messenger. So yes, they can send it on Facebook Messengers to their friends, LinkedIn, and via email. And I will change that text a bit later and make it better. Win a lifetime subscription, giveaway win. So I will change that in a bit so that if they share it with their friends, that is what their friends will see. And then we're going to give them bonus entries. So this is where this software is really good, because I want people to share that and enter the competition, but I also want them to subscribe to my YouTube channel and do other things. So there's no harm in this. So if they subscribe to me on YouTube, there is the channel URL. They will get an extra 5 entries. I'm going to work this out at the end, what I'm actually going to do. If they subscribe on Instagram, and there's my Instagram name, they'll get an extra couple of entries, 2 entries, Twitter, etc., and Facebook. And also, I can link it up there so that when they enter and provide their email, it will automatically sign them up on my SendFox, which is my email. What do they call it? Transport. It's where I send my emails out from. I always forget my mailing list manager, SendFox, and I've set up a category. I'll just show you very quickly in SendFox. So it's linked to SendFox, and there's one category called competition entries. So when anyone enters the competition, they will be on the mailing list. They'll have subscribed, and I can send them future emails. That is the plan. Where are we now? I'm going to use the default terms, which is great because with King Sumo, they've got a set of rules which are all legal and above board, so use their rules. That's going to be nice and safe. And finally, are people going to enter in the EU? Quite possibly. So you need them to require the GDPR consent box. So I want my friends in Europe to enter. And that's how you do it. You just fill in all of that. That's as simple as it is, and click save. And then once the giveaway is live, this is what the customers, sorry, the people who want to enter the competition will see. Obviously, the link for this will be in this video, and I'll make another video going, I'm giving away a prize. And here we go. So there's the images I uploaded. They're good, aren't they? And it'll automatically scroll through them. Win with Phil, lifetime subscription, 3 prizes, earn bonus entries, and share with friends, a lifetime subscription. So there we go, that kind of thing. I'm happy with that. There's your big title, and the giveaway hasn't started yet, but you can see that this page, once it's live, I will probably make another video once this video goes live, because it'll show you exactly, what the people will see when they want to enter the competition. But if you click on that, it'll take you to my website. If you click on the official rules, it will give you the official rules, which are already done within King Sumo. So you are covered. And there is the logo. Win with Phil, always free to enter, powered by King Sumo. So that's it, really. We're just going to jump back now. I like the look of that. Tell me what you think in the comments. What do you think? Just show you the dashboard very quickly. So there is my competition that is not running. I am going to run these all the time. Software companies, give me some stuff to give away. Thanks, Radar. Here's me account. And not much to account. You've got your, oops, I'll have to edit that out. Here's my account. I can't scroll down that too much. I just had to edit that because it shows my API details, which I'm not going to show you. Not that it's you, but you know what I mean. Now, my subscription, I've got custom branding, giveaway translations in 10 languages. This is great then for, promoting competitions, getting subscribers from around the world. Click on the branding. That is where you upload your little logo that will be shown at the footer of all of your giveaways. Here's the tracking. If you're on Facebook, you can put your pixel ID in there. Here's the integrations. So I've connected it with SendFox, but you could also connect it to Zapier, to MailChimp, and other APIs. And obviously there's your API details. And I think that is it. So in the link in the description of this video, I will give you obviously the link so that you can get King Sumo for yourself, but also I'll put the link in to the competition so that you can go and enter it and see how it works. Have a go. You never know. You might win a copy of Radar. And obviously now I'm going to make another video where I go, hey, do you want to win a copy of Radar? And make that video and get it up there. And yeah, hope you're enjoying what I'm doing here. I'm just kind of trying to embrace these things, keep it real. Someone said to me the other day, made a nice comment, said, I think you're being quite genuine. I'm trying to be, yeah. Of course I'm trying to grow my branding. Of course I'm trying to get myself out there and grow. And of course, I'd love you to subscribe to everything. But, I think it's a fun way to do it, actually, by showing you how the software works. So, King Sumo's there. Yep, subscribe. I'm not even saying subscribe to the channel. I've said it 20 times in this video. Anyway, by the way, yes, I've had to relocate from the van. So I'm in temporary. I'm not living in temporary accommodation. But I've had to move into a little tiny box room, which is why I'm like this. And, yeah, we'll get back to normal soon. But cheers, everybody. Thanks for watching. See you with another video really soon.